Alwina. Okay na. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, September 2, 2021. So start off muna tayo sa BTC and then some other most actively traded cryptocurrencies. Ito na naman ano. I think enough so much of the long-term view kasi halos nakabisado ko na 'to, eh. Ang kulit ng So, basta ang tinitignan ko is year-end target. Kasi wait, ulitin natin. Monthly na lang para makita natin lahat pala. Yung cycle ng Bitcoin over the past years is every 4 years, yung whole cycle. 1 year, uh, 1 year bear, 3 years na bull. So, sa 1 year na yon bumababa siya ng more than 80% or more or less nasa 85%. And then yung upside niya is nasa 12,804%. So, mas malaki siya. And then, possible target ko for the year is the 100,000, more than 100,000. And then, kung magtuloy-tuloy pa siya, possibly dito sa 300,000. So, actually, iniisip ko kanong possible catalyst. Pero tingin ko more institutional that will come in dito kung sa 300,000. Kasi nga, mostly institutional investors, syempre, ang ano nila dyan is more on the returns. Kasi tingin ko sa stock market, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung returns. Well, in my opinion, 'di ba? Hindi siya ganoon kalaki versus sa cryptocurrency. So sa tingin ko mas marami pang mag-flow into cryptocurrencies that will possibly push it to that 300,000 year-end hyper bullish target. And then yung dito naman sa pinaka more or less sa bottom or support na tinitignan ko is the 30,000. Pag mag-continue siya dyan, ang pinaka-worst na tinitignan ko is the 9,700 CMC gap. So, I think yun lang siya. And then, yeah, anyway, though every 4 years, ganun yung naging cycle ng Bitcoin, it will not necessarily na 4 years din yung cycle, yung third cycle na to. Pwede siyang mag-extend or pwede din siyang mas mas maliit, mas maliit, hindi, mas shorter, or shorter, yan, hindi ko alam Tagalog, sorry, mas maiksi yata, mas maiksi, so yun, mas maiksi sa 4 years, so na, eto, di ba kahapon, sabi ko, tinitignan ko siya, pero sa 40s, wait lang, yung sa alert ko pala, i-ano natin, baka mamaya mag-sound siya. Off lang natin. Off ko lang siya. Kagabi pala, kahapon. Kagabi, di ba nag-alarm siya sa around 47,500. Pero, nung tinitignan ko kasi siya, medyo nahihirapan siya. And then, ngayong araw lang, nung nag-48,000 siya, saka lang ako pumasok. And then, target ko is the 50,000 area. Wait lang di ba sabi ko nga, itong Renko bars, each Renko is a support and resistance. So, makikita mo, ano yung top ng body ng Renko na to, di ba? 50,000. Tapos, yung sa baba nun ng body is 47,500. Kaya, yun yung naset ko na alert. So, pliniplay ko siya within that range. Pumasok ako sa 48 kasi 48 less 47,500, that's 500, diba? And then 50,000 less 48,000, that's 2,000. So, i-divide mo yan ng 2,000 divided by 500, that's 4. So, pasok pa rin siya sa risk-reward ratio ko na at least 2. So, yan. Kaya, ganun ko siya nilalaro. Sa ngayon, kanina pala, nag-ano na naman siya, nag-dump na naman siya. So, plano ko is, kapag umakyat siya ng 50,500, saka ako papasok. Kasi 'di ba may alert naman ako dito na 50,000 area. nag-50, parang tingin ko hindi siya nag 50,500 ngayong araw eh. Wait lang, check natin. Hindi siya umabot doon. 50,392 lang siya. Using this chart. Kasi depende rin kasi kung anong exchange ang gamit. And then, another thing is, ayan no. So, kailangan i-break niya muna tong previous support na to na naging resistance na ngayon kasi nga 'di ba bumaba siya. So, yun. So, medyo ano siya. Though bullish pa rin naman ako kasi nga hindi pa naman siya bumababa sa 47,500 eh. Sa Renko bars. So, pag ano yun, pag nag-alert siya, so titignan ko na lang siya ulit. Kung mag-a-alert yung aking um, eto, na-set na alert. So, yun. So, actually, nakadepende kung mag-a-alert yan sa akin sa 50,000. And then, pag more than 50,000 or nag 50,500, saka ulit ako papasok. And then, target ko is the 52,500. So, yun yung possible trade scenarios ko sa Bitcoin. So, yun. Actually, yun lang kasi wala naman masyadong ano eh. Kaya mostly, ito kasi ang ginagamit ko. Kasi, para sa akin, parang mas madali siya. Sorry. Hindi kasi natin magamit yung shorter time frame eh. Yeah. Next na is this area. Pero trade ko siya ano ba to? Kasi nga more on scalp swing trades ako eh. Pag sa futures, and then yung kita ko doon, dinadiversify ko siya into long-term holdings. It's combination of USDT or stable coins, and then um, other cryptocurrencies. So yun. So I think yun lang for now. Ano bang nangyari ngayon? Wala eh. Siguro nang liquidate na naman sila kanina. And 50,000 kasi resistance eh. Ayun no. Resistance even doon sa candlestick. So yan. Kasi kung hindi niya ma-break yan sa candlestick alone, edi retest niya to. Retest niya pala to. Around the 46,600. Mas mababa siya sa Renko pala no. So yun. And then this one. Yan. So I think yun lang muna siya. Hindi ko kasi alam paano kayo mag-trade eh. Pero mostly ako, parang in a day, parang madami akong trades eh. Hindi lang sa Bitcoin actually. Most actively traded futures. Yeah. Nakita ko pala kanina. Wait, puntahan natin yung daily. Sorry. Kasi pinapansin ko to kanina. Eto oh. 'Di ba? Bear. So, kailangan niyang mag-breakout kasi dyan eh. Else, kumauntog siya dyan, syempre, babagsak siya. So, eto, yun yung very key for, tsaka Friday and weekend. So, medyo alanganin din. Normally, hindi ako nag-trade ng weekends. Asan na ba yung ano? Asan na yung parang panulat something? Diba? Nasa critical level siya. Asan ba? Wait. Hindi ko makita. Alam ko nakapin yun eh. Di. Eto. Brush. Or pwedeng i-encirclean ko na lang Yan. Yan din, di ba? Kasi dalawang correction and then dito correction, no, 'di ba? Baka pag hindi niya na break yan, correction again. So let's see what's gonna happen. Very immediate support and resistance lang tayo. Either 50,500 and support of 47,500. Sa Renko bars yun I mean, sa Renko 50,000, sa resistance and then support 47,500. Sa candlestick kasi medyo halos medyo magkaiba sila but mostly close din naman. Yun nga lang kasi sa support area is 46,600 levels. Tsaka kung i-ano mo siya. Okay. Tsaka tignan mo yung possible risk reward nito. Kung papasok ka dito at hindi siya nag-breakout, mas malaki yung possible risk. Dito lang kung titignan mo lang siya, saan na ulit yung wait, eto. Kung titignan mo lang itong mga candles na to ako kasi medyo ako pag nagti-trade ako Syempre, 'di ba? Kasi, medyo risky kasi yung trade ko. Yan. Unless na lang spot siguro yan. Pwedeng mag-antay-antay lang ako. And, syempre kung i-measure natin yan, yun, mas malaki na yung possible risk mo dyan. As compared kapag nag-breakout siya, possible next targets around sa 58 area pa nga o kapag candlestick. So, yun. Yun lang masasabi ko for now. So, antayin ko na lang yung alert ko para sa akin and then saka ako papasok. For now, since nakatipi ako sa 50,000 area, more than 50,000 pala siya. So, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Joke lang. From 48 to, 48 to 50,000. So, that's $2,000 difference from my entry price. So, yun. And then, what else? Ito, tinitignan ko din pala kanina, na BTC dominance, yung sa, candlestick. Kasi normally, pag nag-analyze ako, just the candlestick or Renko will do. Ay, ano ba yan? Sorry. Ano ba yan? Paano ko itatanggalin siya? Kasi pag sa Renko to, hindi pa siya confirmed actually na magre-reverse. Pero, since medyo delayed kasi daily itong Renko na gamit natin. Wala kasi akong access sa lesser time frame. So, syempre, hindi ko makikita yung 3 hours or 1 hour. So, eto na lang gamitin natin, candlestick. So, posibleng baka mag-hold na siya at mag-reverse na. Depende kung ayan Ay, wag na lang yan. Depende sa susunod na candle yan. Normally ang confirmation ko 2 to 3 candles. Pag ganun din actually sa Renko bars, 2 to 3 bars. Ay, yeah. Dash line yan. Ay, hindi. Dotted lines. Ay, hindi. Hindi, dash line siya, pero ayun. So, yun. So, possibly, yun, babalik na ulit sila sa Bitcoin yan. So, magiging ma-action na naman yung Bitcoin. And possibly, ang retest area niya dito sa around sa 44 area. So, kung titignan mo lang ito, mas malaki yung possible return or possible upside ng BTC. Diyan lang diba? Sa dominance lang. So, mas magiging ma-action ulit yung BTC kung sakali. Kasi over the past few months, diba? Yun. So, tignan natin kung mag-hold na siya dyan sa 42 area. Now, hopefully mag-hold na siya. Maganda rin kasing i-trade ang Bitcoin eh. Mas less kasi yung margin niya. So, mas malaki yung nagiging position size ko. No. So, I think that's it. Pero kung ma-fake out yan, ayun, bagsak ulit sa babagsak siya sa 40. Which is more altcoin rally. So, I think that's it for now. For BTC dominance. And then, check natin yung ibang like for example, this one. Di ba kahapon, ay kagabi pala. Kagabi. Akala ko kasi hapon eh. Gabi pala ako nag-stream. Kahapon, kagabi, kagabi na streams. Wait lang. I-remove ko ulit. Target ko is 3.6 and then nadan ako doon. And then, ngayong araw, nag-trade lang ako, scalp trade lang, 3.7 to 3.8. So, yun yung naging trades ko today. And, tinitignan ko sa monthly, ayun no, longer time frame, dun talaga siya papunta sa 4,300. So, ang possible strategy ko is long on, pullback ako. Kasi pag hindi mo alam yung trend, like for example, nalilito ka kung saang trend, tignan mo yung higher time frame. So, yun. And, yan, abang na lang dito sa 4,200 area. Kasi kung siya, kung talagang magpapump siya, kaya naman niya yung 400 eh. So, actually, okay lang din na mag-correct siya a bit. Para sa susunod na pump, ayun na baka 4,400 na siya. 4,200 to 4,000 to all-time high. Kung using this candlestick. O, diba? So, yun. Nakalimutan ko pala yung diba? So, support talaga na titignan ko is this area, 3,300 and this area, the all-time high for 4 kapag sa candlestick, pero ang ginagamit ko kasi is the Renko. So, sa 4.2, yun yung target ko, or papalitan ko siya ng trailing stop. Market trailing stop para at least nakakasabay pa rin ako sa pag-akyat niya. Kung sakali mang maglulong kasi naka-out na ako sa 3.8. So, bukas na lang ulit. So, I think yun na lang muna. Ano ba? Habang tinitignan ko na support. 3.6 and then the 4.2 as TP area. Kasi posible siyang mag-create ng triple top. Ay, hindi pala yan. Sorry. Ayan. Dalawa na siya, diba? So, dito, abangan natin siya dito. Kung magbe-break to, mabibreak niya tong 4.2 or mare-reject siya. So, yun. And then, the immediate support at 3,600. Ay, sorry. Ba yan? 3,600 and strong support at this area. Strong support sa Renko Parsa. Kasi magkaiba sila ni ni candlestick. 3.3 si candlestick eh. Eto, nasa 2.8. So, next, ano ba bang mga tinignan ko? Anyway, if you have other chart requests, feel free to ask in the live chat. So, yun. Yeah, I wanna share this one pala. Remove drawings and then i-hide ko siya. Saan ko ba i-hide to? Ayan. Di ba, in every cycle, may, may nagtanong, parang sabi niya ata, parang wala na daw bears. But actually, in a cycle, punta ulit ako dito. In a cycle, meron siyang, to complete a cycle, meron siyang uptrend, meron siyang trendless or consolidation, and meron siyang downtrend. So, yan yung isang whole cycle. So, pwedeng ganito, or pwede rin naman na pataas yan, di ba? The other, pababa, trendless, and paakyat. Yan. Ganun talaga yung isang complete cycle. Hindi pwedeng puro paakyat lang. Kasi kung puro paakyat lang, napaka-stiff, mas nakakatakot yun. Di ba? So, yun lang. And then, actually para siyang battery. May positive and then negative. And ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede kong i-example as to the cycle itself? As to the ano para, 'di ba lagi every 4 years to. Ah, ang pinaka best example siguro na masabi ko is a human life cycle kasi 'di ba yung human life cycle mag-start siya from fertilization of egg hanggang sa may panganak siya, lumaki, and then maging adult, magkaroon ng sariling pamilya, tumanda, and mamatay. So, kunwari, from birth to death, 100 years yung lola mo. And then, syempre, ina-expect mo, more or less, ikaw, 100 years din yung magiging lifespan mo. Pero, pwede siyang maging 100 years, even shorter, or mas matagal sa 100 years. So, ganun lang din naman sa cycle ng BTC. So, yan. Naalala ko lang. And then, what else? Let's go back na sa TA. Si Ada pala kanina. Nag-ano siya? All-time high. Anong nangyari dito? Okay. So, i-remove natin yung drawings para bago ulit siya. 295. Naka-trailing stop kasi ako dito. Pero nag-more than 3 siya. Pero kung sa Renko bars kasi, hindi niya, may computation din kasi siya eh. So, yun. Actually, possible bearish pala to. Kung sakali. So, anyway. At saka, possible bearish. And dito, triple top. So, mag-a-alert ako sa more than 295 or mag-entry ako sa 2.95 above. Yun. So, support and resistance, ano ba siya ngayon? 294, oh. Immediate resistance, 295. Strong support here at this area. Ano ba to? 2.5 area. Pero meron kasi silang may net upgrade coming this September 12, I think, bago yung conference nila sa 25. So, that might possibly push the price of ADA. And this one pala. Kasi pag nag-breakout siya doon, yun, actually $4 yung next possible target ko na $4. Yung kanina, nung trinade ko siya, akala ko mag $4 siya eh. Kasi it falls short. Kaya na-stop out na ako. Pero at least, new all-time high siya today. So, strategy ko dito is I will enter at 2.95. Target sa $4 and then syempre gagamitin ko to. Gagamitin ko yung below nito na stop loss 2.72. Hindi ko naantayin pa dito siya sa baba kasi nga sabi ko nga each Renko bar naman is pwede siyang gamitin as support and resistance, or if plano kong mag-tranche, pwedeng hindi ko siya muna lagyan ng stop loss until I completed my whole position size. Pag nagta-tranche ako, transactions, normally I do it in maximum of 4 postings at different orders. So, yun lang. And then, TP area ko, dito pa din, sa $4 area. So, I think that's it for now, for ADA. Actually, may in-stake ko siya dati, and then, in-unstake ko siya eh. And then, may binili akong iba. Pero, meron pa pala ako sa Abra wallet. Meron pa pala ako. Pero, hindi siya naka-stake. Nandun lang siya. And then, kailangan ko daw mag-KYC. Chorbike X, sabi niya. So, yun. Maybe I'll just KYC some other time. So, yun. And then, what else? Ito si Ayota. Ayota ba yun? Ayota. Or Miyota. Wait lang. Check natin yung gusto kong makita yung high and low niya. Kasi minsan, pag dito sa trading view, dapat makapture mo yung pinaka-highest at saka pinaka-lowest. Di ko kasi siya trinitrade. Actually, ngayon ko lang siya trinade. Nakita ko lang siya kanina sa futures. Here. So, pinaka-high niya is all-time high 5.69 and 0.07. So, 569 dito. Dapat ito. Hindi siya complete. So, dapat yung complete. It is, yeah, mas maganda kasi kapag yung, syempre, yung chart nyo is makuha nyo yung complete, kumpleto, yung high at saka low ng CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So, hindi dapat yan yung kunin natin. Ito si Huwag. Si Huwag naman, 18 naman yung na-capture niya. Pero nag-start siya 2018 na. Wait lang check natin yung iba. Ito naman, 2.68. Ito. Naku, sino kaya yung parang wala na. Oh, kulang. Wait. Ito na lang. Try natin kung pwedeng gamitin to. Yung whole chart with the 5.69. Anong gamit niya? BNB, Binance pa lang gamit nito. Syempre, nakaano sila. Sorry. Hindi natin pala maka-capture yung 5.69. Kailan ba nangyari yun? December 19, 2017. Ano kayang exchange yung ng gamit nun? Pwede si si Huwag pala. Kasong na-capture niya. Sa bagay, pwede. Wait lang May? Hindi rin eh. Kasi December 19, 2017 siya eh. Anyway, eto May 1. Ah, kunin na lang natin yung pinakamatagal, May 1. May 1 din, pare-pareho ata silang May 1. Eto, August. So, hindi siya. So eto na lang. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Do hindi siya complete. Okay. Yan. Meron kasi siyang, nag-pick up kasi yung volume niya today. Kaya nandito ako kay IOTA. Check natin yung historical data. So, di ba kung saan ma-auction, nandun ako. And then, yun. 24 hours, ito 648,187,000. From more or less average niya mga nasa 50 or less than $100 million. So, tsaka kita mo naman, ang laki ng volume. Hindi ko kasi, though merong volume dito, hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi it's for specific exchange lang siya. Kaya inaano ko siya, hina-hide. Mostly ang tinitignan ko is si CoinMarketCap or si CoinGecko. Doon ko kinukuha yung volume or yun yung tinitignan ko kasi at least doon lahat ng exchange or most of the exchanges na nag-list kay IOTA nakaka-capture niya compared sa TradingView, which is the specific exchange. So eto naka-trailing stop na ako dito nakalimutan ko saan ako pumasok 1.20 something kasi ako pumasok and then naka-trailing stop na ako. So yun, actually ang possible target ko dito is that hindi pala. Okay. Hindi yan 250 ang target ko 250 ang target ko actually. Ginamit ko si yung perpetuals na FTX perpetual yung nagamit ko na kanina na chart. Hindi kasi natin siya pwedeng gamitin kasi we're streaming using TradingView. So TradingView chart lang tayo. So yan. So tingnan mo naman. So kahit dito, actually pwede ko pa din siyang i-trade Kasi ang target ko naman is for it to hit close to all-time high. All-time high talaga, no? Kasi dun sa sa FTX, I think at ito kasing 250 na recognize ko sa sa trades ko. Nung nag-enter ako ng TP area ko. So yun. So tingin ko muna siya dito. Magko-correct muna siya bago niya dito. Or pwede siyang magtuloy-tuloy dito at i-break niya tong 1.48 and then magko-correct siya and then bago niya retest yung 2.5 area. So I think yun lang siya. So kahit i-measure nyo siya, kung since na-trade ko na siya, meron na pala akong position, syempre papasok ulit ako kung sakaling na-trail stop ako upon breakout. Dyan, target, and stop loss. So, RRR is more than 2 pa rin naman, if ever. So, yan si IOTA. And then, si FTT, nag-all-time high din actually siya kanina. Pero kahapon yung announcement nila as to the acquisition of Ledger X, pero for US residents and citizens lang naman kasi yun. Pero at least Kahit nasa US, kahit nasa exclusively for mga US lang, syempre malaki naman ang volume doon. So, it will add up to FTX higher revenue. Uh, Next, FTT USD. Diba? Kahapon. Kaso pa oversold na pala siya. I mean pa overbought na pala. Asa? Sa 69 ako na stop out eh. Nag-stop out. Ano siguro, ano na lang, babantayan ko na lang ulit siya. Kasi nasa top 3 kasi siya eh. So, yun mga trades ko. And then, yung gains ko din dito sa FTX, si FTX din yung binili ko. 'Di ba? I mean, it's settled in USD. However, the gains from it, I also converted it to FTX. So, if ever, makaka-ride pa rin ako sa uh, pagtaas niya, 'di ba? So, ganun ako mag-trade. So, parang si futures, dun ko kinukuha yung pambili ko ng ibang holdings ko. Kasi hindi na ako naglalabas ng pera for buying some holdings. Nilalaro ko na lang kung ano yung meron. So, yun. So, let's see. Tingin ko magko-correct siya dito sa around sa 0.3825. So, abangan ko siya sa $60 kung sakali man. Kasi, though, pwede siyang mag-overextend. Wait, check natin yung possible. Support na tinitignan ko is the $60. Na natin. Or the previous high. Ay, ba't wala? Sorry. Ko na napindot. So, yan. And then, i-reverse lang natin to. For our next target. Kasi ang tinitignan ko dyan is yan. $90. So, more or less dito. Yung next target ko. Pero syempre, may holdings din kasi ako eh. Kasi nga, syempre, yung volume niya, it's improving. At saka, syempre, yung mga acquisitions and etc. That could, syempre, increase its future revenue streams. So, halos ganun lang din. Same lang din siya in traditional stock market. At the end of the day, yun pa rin naman. Revenue and possible expenses. So, yan. Um, 3.8. Ayun na, 60. Sa 60 pa din. So, abangan ko siya sa 60. Kung magpo-pullback siya. I think magpo-pullback pa naman siya. And then dito, I will do 2 transactions kung sakali man. Antayin ko siya dyan sa first long or test long ako dun sa 60 and kung bumaba pa siya dito, another long sa 55. And then target ko din is the $90 area. So, ganun lang ako mag-trade. So, at least more or less, the average will be around, I mean, this one pala. Yeah, 55 and 60. So, 60 pa din. So, parang ito pa din, no? So, yung average ko more or less dito sa golden fib, which is the $60. Diba? So, kung risk-reward ratio ko din yan, so, ganun din. So, more than the 2 minimum ko na RRR. So, I think that's it for FTX. Anyway, kung may tanong kayo, just feel... Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's actually Taglish. Taglish. It's a combination of Tagalog and English. But anyway, if you have other short requests, then feel free to ask. Because actually, I'm discussing about the FTX chart right now. Actually, I long yesterday because I read the announcement as to the acquisition of Ledger X by FTX US that break the consolidation area here. Ilang araw ba yan? That break the 21 days consolidation area. My personal strategy here in FTX is that actually, since I already have an existing long position with a possible TP to $90. However, I set a market trailing stop so that if it will reverse, I will take the gain. And then if ever that it will pull back, my possible entry point is around the $60. I would possibly make a test long at 63 and another test and another at $55. So that will make me an average entry of more or less $60. And then that's still my TP is the the 1.6182 to 1.786, which is more or less approximately $90 area. But I do also have, that's more on the future side. On the long term side, actually I'm holding some FTX token because it will give you discounts if you have X something of FTT token. And then what else? Hi, how old are you? Um, what's the likely entry? For what? For what? For what token? Actually, I already have. I'm 29. I'm not. Okay. Yesterday, yeah, actually, sorry, I forgot what's my entry point yesterday. But I think around 51. That's my entry point yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, because I do have a lot of futures trade, so I might not recall it, but I think it's $51 area. And then that's for FTT. My possible target is the $90. This is just for swing and possibly scalp trades. But I'm holding FTT token for long-term hold because I think it will be more or less equivalent to BNB in the future, which is BNB right now is more or less around close to 500 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I think FTT could also reach more or less half of it, half of BNB price, in my opinion. That's my long-term target for it. And then SLP. Yeah, maybe let's also look into, since I already shared the FTT, maybe we can also look into BNB. I'll just remove it and then Normally, when I trade, I just use the chart, either this Renko chart or the candlestick. So, ganun lang. That's how simply I trade. Though I also use some indicators like EMA and divergence indicator. So, I think in no time, maybe in the next 2 weeks or so, we could possibly retest close to all-time high or even all-time high, in my opinion. Because as you can see in the Renko chart, the trend is still bullish. That and this is the consolidation area, which have already been broken. So that's the strong support I'm looking at. The 400. What's that? Wait, let's add. Oh, sorry. So this is the support I'm looking at, the 412, and the next possible target is the 662 all-time high. And then when it reach there, possible target, you can just extend or use fib. Normally when I use the Fibonacci, my target is the 1.618 and to 1.786. Let's just click the reverse side. So possibly that's 1,000 if I'm not mistaken there, 1,000. So let's see how it goes within the next few weeks. Anyway, we could also use the chart. Wait, at least still oversold. Close to oversold. Close to oversold. Though my oversold level hill is 20, you can see that it's already below the regular bullish. So it might possibly break this consolidation area. And I think it will in the next few days. And the target is the 600 to the 700 area. And then the immediate support this area, which is 451. There are a few dollars difference. I think 415 is the one that I use in Renko. But the bottom line is it's still trending upward trend. And I think the RRR is profitable in my own opinion. Like for example, if of course I will trade this if it will break this area. So at breakout, I might possibly go long. Wait, why it's not there? Possible TP area there and the stop loss at 451. So that's still a possible risk reward ratio of 2.22 if this is more on scalp and swing trades. But if you are a holder, yeah, of course, you will just hold it for long, for long, for more than until you plan to dispose it. Long-term hold. Actually, I also do have some BNB, which I use in Pancake Swap to buy some tokens there. Can you take AMG? What's AMG? I don't know. Wait, let's check on AMG. Oh, what's AMG? That's I don't know what's AMG. Or maybe it might not be crypto AMG. Sorry. Maybe let's ask what's AMG. What's AMG? Beginner. Oh, He said he's not a beginner. So, what are you trading na lang? What are you trading? Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have questions or maybe ideas to share, please feel free to type here in the live chat. SPSLPN. Oh, Solana. So is Solana? Oh, Solana is back. I think it's trading around 116 to 115 a while ago. It's also one of the top traded crypto. Okay. Oh, I see. Might retest the previous all-time high. I think so. I did not trade Solana today. I just trade ADA, my IOTA, SLP, PTC, Ethereum, and what else? BTC, Ethereum, and I bought some DAG, which is one of my long-term hold. Because the one that I first mentioned is more on futures. Right. So let's see what's AMG is. Oh, sorry, I don't know what's AMG. Cause anyway, let's just try if there is no AMG. Maybe this one stock. Let's try to look at it. Oh. So for AMG, this is actually stock. Actually, I don't trade global stock, but I do trade some local stocks. So I think it's still within this consolidation area. If I'm gonna trade this one, I will go long at breakout at this area because I think that's more attractive than this area because it will just it since I don't trade I don't normally trade trendless because here it's already near the possible consolidation resistance. So I think it's better if I'll trade it at breakout. So possible target or possible TP at $214 and support area at 152 area. So I'm using the less noise chart, which is the Renko chart. Let's also try to look at it using the candlestick. Anyway, let's try to look at it. Oh, at least it's holding. It's holding at the EMAs. Seems like it's holding. But of course, it's better if trade it at breakout. And I think the trend is still bullish, but I'd like to see it on the, I mean, I'd like to trade it after this consolidation area or at breakout. And then possible target at still the 215 area. And then here, the support area is still the same. Or actually, I can use the lower EMAs, which is the 164 area as a support. Because EMAs can also be used as support and resistance. So I think that's it. Oh, for EMAs, AMG. Oh, sorry, AMG. So if you have no other questions, I will end this stream. I think I have nothing more to add. What's GDP? GDP CAD? I think it's Forex. GDP. Oh, what's that? Maybe it's a trading pair. What's GDP? Or what's that? Sorry. What's GD? GPD? No, GPD. GPD. What's GPD? GPD. Hmm? I think it's a trading pair. CAD or I don't know. There's nothing. What type? What type? Because I don't know what type of asset. What type of asset? Because currently, me personally, I do trade mostly crypto futures, and then I also do some spot trading futures, but it's more on a long-term hold. And then I also trade local stocks, but it's also more on investment. But I risk off some stocks. Si ASEN pala binenta ko. I mean, I risk it off. And then I plan to reinvest it in crypto also. AMX. AMX. Is it the... Sorry, I'm unfamiliar with... It's a stock. So maybe it is... Ah, yeah, this is a stock listed in... Because if there's an earning, that means it's a stock. So I think that's it for AMG. For me, personally, if I will trade this one, since it's still on a downtrend within the consolidation area, I might rather trade it. I don't know how do you trade it. I might rather trade it at breakout within this area. Because actually, that area is within the consolidation area from 176 to 152. But since it's a golden cross, either from Renko, and either using the Renko and the candlestick, it's still, for me, it's still bullish. However, I think it's more attractive if I will trade it at breakout. And then possible stop loss at the EMAs. With the possible target 214, maybe possibly 180 plus, or maybe I will enter at 182, TP 214, and then stop loss at 164. So for now, for me personally, it's a no trade zone. So I will wait for better entry price. So that's for me personally. Wrong AMD, it's from Netherlands, worth about 30. Oh, sorry. It's a wrong AMG. It's a wrong AMG. Here. Sabi niya, Netherlands. Oh, wait. Netherlands daw. So, sorry, unfortunately, I don't know the flag of Netherlands. AMG stock here. Could 30. Oh, this one. Okay, sorry. I thought it's the other AMG. Are we here? Wait. Oh, here. Oh, this is it. Okay. It's actually a possible golden cross here. But normally, I'll trade it if the white, the white one will cross the golden one. The golden one. So I think maybe I'll just wait 2 days or so. One day, I mean, possibly one day. 1 day to 2 days, it will cross. So let's see. So it might reverse. So possible TP area or target price here. And then the stop loss at the EMAs. It might possibly be, it will possibly trend higher and retest the $35 area. Wow, it's actually good. Is it trading now? It's live or... Oh, delayed close. So, maybe you can check on it tomorrow because it's almost kissed. So, if you look at the EMAs, it's 28.48 and 28.40. If you I don't know how you trade, but normally for me, I sometimes do transactions. So I could test long here, and then once it cross, I'll do another trade, and then after that I'll set my TP and stop loss. But make sure that of course you have zero liquidation if that's possible. Because normally for me, if I trade futures, my liquidation for going long is 0. So there. So next, let's look at the possible risk reward area. So that's, sorry, 2.16 possible target. Anyway, is there any earnings release October 28? Oh, that's still a few, next month, almost 2 months. So I think the possible catalyst there is this that golden cross, and that will be a confirmation that it will continue to move higher. And yeah, you can actually use that. Either you can TP1 here, and then if it will cross or if if it will form a dead cross, then that's also a possible TP area. So yeah, this is more likely me, mostly my type of trade. But I can also wait for it to scalp or swing trades for me. But I can also wait it to create a dead cross, and that will be my TP area. Now like this one, dead cross. Because here, it's a possible golden cross. So it will move higher. So I don't know what will be the or when will be that dead cross. So there, so that at least you can even ride it longer if it will be more or less at that area. So yeah, I think let's see. I don't know how you plan to trade or how you plan to hold it. Because since it's a stock, I don't normally um I don't normally scalp or swing stocks. Mostly I'm a holder. So let's also look at the other chart, which is the Renko chart. Let's because even in Renko chart, it's still a bullish Renko bar that could possibly retest this area, which is the $35. $35. Oh, sorry. $35 and then the support at this area. So I think almost the same. I mean almost the same trend because for using chart might possibly be a golden cross, and then here in Renko chart it's still a bullish bar. So I think it's more on a possible bullish trend. Or you can even try to look 52. So see, almost the same for using the candlestick and the Renko bars. I think I will go long if ever I will trade this one. AMG. I bought it exactly at 28.5. Oh, okay, that's wow, good luck. Half an hour ago close. Which golden indicator are you using? Golden cross indicator are you using? Actually, I'm using the EMA. You can also add this one, EMA, and then I'm using the time frame 30 days, and the other one is 60 days. So this is 60 days, and then the source is open, high, low, close. That's also the same for this one. 30 days open, high, low, close as source. And then whatever may be the analysis using the chart, I also recheck here on Renko bars. Because Renko bars is a less noise chart. Oh, let's me just that. So since you already have bought it, yeah, I think in the next few days it will cross. A golden cross is more a bullish indicator. So I think that's it. So if you have other questions, then feel free to ask, else I will end the stream. So BTC, it's now currently trading at 49,593 something. So I think it will correct tomorrow. Possibly retest the 47,500, which is also my alert. 47.5 and 47.5 and the 50,000. Hmm. Just got. I'm lucky I TP'd at $50,000. So let's see. I'll trade again tomorrow. Thanks guys. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you again next time. As much as possible, I'll try to stream before I sleep. After I trade for the whole day. Because normally I'm also sharing what I trade for the day. Bye guys. Si Solana pala yung umakyat. Anyway. What's that? I'll just recheck if I missed anything. Okay, since none, okay, I'm stopping the stream.